Dacia, the Romanian automotive brand, made waves at the European Motor Show in Brussels, unveiling the Extreme trim level. Targeted at adventurous customers seeking robust and capable vehicles, the Extreme Edition was introduced across the brand's portfolio, including the Duster, a firm favorite among SUV enthusiasts. This trim level features a distinctive aesthetic appeal, encapsulating the spirit of the great outdoors. Externally, the Duster Extreme boasts a new cedar green body color, coupled with a glossy black shark fin antenna. Copper brown accents on the wing mirror caps and hubcaps, along with copper brown Dacia lettering on the boot, add character and highlight the vehicle's adventurous nature. The standout feature is the copper brown snorkel, signifying the model's readiness for off-roading excursions. The interior transformation is equally impressive, offering a new type of gray upholstery, microcloud. This unique fabric, designed specifically for vehicle applications, is resistant to wear and tear, easy to clean, and has a tactile appeal akin to velvet. Furthermore, copper brown trims grace the interior, from the front door panels to the air vents, maintaining the outdoor theme throughout. Venturing off the beaten track is made easier with the extended grip feature, a standard on the Duster 4x4. It allows the wheels to turn more freely on loose surfaces by adjusting the electronic stability control settings. With this feature, Dacia reaffirms its commitment to provide customers with a vehicle ready to tackle challenging environments. In a move that demonstrates Dacia's ingenuity, the brand unveiled the Sleep Pack as part of the new in-nature accessory range. This innovative addition transforms the Duster's interior into a bedroom within minutes. Comprising a double bed, a shelf, and storage space, the pack adds practical convenience to overnight outdoor adventures. The Sleep Pack is removable, weighing less than 50 kilograms, and when not in use, it fits neatly under the cargo cover. This feature optimizes cargo capacity and keeps the Duster looking like a regular 5-seater, ensuring that adventure enthusiasts don't compromise on practicality. Additional accessories available with the Sleep Pack include blackout blinds for all windows and a smart tent. This can be connected to the Jogger when the boot is open, providing extra sleeping space. These additions are a testament to Dacia's attention to detail and their commitment to enhancing the adventure experience for their customers. Customers can place orders for this exciting new trim level. With a focus on outdoor adventures, the Extreme Edition caters to those seeking a dependable, comfortable, and feature-rich vehicle for their explorations. Its unique aesthetics and innovative features underscore Dacia's reputation for producing vehicles that truly cater to the needs of adventure-seeking customers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.